Chicken fried bacon consists of bacon strips dredged in batter and deep fried, like chicken fried steak. It is an American dish that was introduced in Texas in the early 1990s. Frank Sodolak of Sodolak's Original Country Inn in Snook, Texas, states that he invented the dish. However, a similar recipe in the Louisiana Cookery cookbook by Mary Land uses salt pork, the bacon of its day. It is usually served as an appetizer with cream gravy or sausage gravy for dipping and sauce. Sodolak's version of the dish acquired enough of a reputation to be featured in Texas comedian John Kelso's Texas Curiosities. The entry states that things are not only bigger in Texas, they're greasier and that it's hard to imagine a more artery-clogging food. Sodolak's version serves 6 strips of bacon, battered and fried, with a bowl of cream gravy. He and his restaurant were featured on a Texas Country Reporter episode. The web video has been watched hundreds of thousands of times on YouTube. Chicken fried bacon made by Glenn Cusack of South Texas won the Big Tex Choice Award for Best Taste in the 2008 State Fair of Texas in Dallas. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.